Hey salon owners, my name is Koran from First Page Marketing. Just a quick video about getting your business on Google's first page for any salon services that you offer. For this example, let's choose Hair Coloring Salon, Morris County, NJ. Okay, right here you have the first three results, first page, Yelp, Yelp, Yelp. They're eating up all the traffic for this search term, but right up in here, this little map that Google gives you for this search term, you have the three businesses here. Pro Hair Cutters, Bliss Hair Studio by Terry, Blue Salon. This is called the Google 3-pack, and these three businesses in here, these three salons, getting the bulk of the traffic for this search term up here. Hair Coloring Salon, Morris County, NJ. I can get your business here on Google's first page, beating Yelp, big time website, nationally branded website. I can get your business here. First page for any service in any business radius, any town, any city. I can get your business here within 48 hours. That's right, 48 hours. This is not SEO. I do not do SEO. I can get your services here, front page, compete with Yelp and all the other nationally branded big time websites. So again, my name is Koran, First Page Marketing. Let's do it. Let's get your business on the first page for any service in any area, any territory. Shoot me a text or call 973-769-1824. Talk soon.